Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alfa Hilmi. My study number is 76. Now I will answer the question from the film. Okay. Number one. How does Kennedy's childhood trauma affect her behavior and communication style throughout the film? Okay. Answer one. Number one is Kennedy's Kennedy's trauma effect carried over into adulthood, where she didn't want to speak. Number two, analyze the symbolism of the closet Kennedy's childhood. How does this affect her communication skills today? Uh, when she wanted to speak, Kennedy remembered the incident in the closet where where her mother said, "Don't make a sound." Number three, we'd like to discuss the impact of bullying on Kennedy's psychological development. How does the movie portray the long-term effect of bullying at school? Because when she was bullied. She grew up alone, so she was afraid of other people and didn't want to communicate with anyone. Number four, how does the film explore the theme of silence as both of a defense mechanism and an obstacle? Okay, in this film is formed by maintaining silence in the form of a defense and obstacle because the silence can also be the right medium for self-reflection and self-improvement and finding ourselves. Okay, number five is analyze how Kennedy character developed from the start to the end of the film. What key events contribute to her growth? Okay, number five, Kennedy development can fight his trauma, can fight her trauma because she follow public speaking theater or communication class to fight her trauma, where she is taught to speak by the trainer. Number six, we'd like we'd like to talk about how the communication class affect Kennedy journey. How does this class help people make change in their life? Okay, because in this class everyone is given the opportunity to express themselves. Therefore, Kennedy began to able to open up herself in the class and was assisted by a mentor who could understand each person's personality in the class so that they could begin to open up. Number 7. Compare and contrast Kennedy behavior in various environments. Home, school, communication class. What do these differences reveal about her character? When at home, Kennedy was too silent and often remembered her childhood trauma. When at school, Kennedy was just silent when she was with her by her friend. But when in communication class, she could express herself and she learned to fight her trauma. Okay, number 8. How does the movie illustrate the relationship between trauma and communication? Give specific example from Kennedy experience. Kennedy experience in childhood where Kennedy's mother told Kennedy not to make a noise or don't make a sound at all. The message was remembered until adulthood where she didn't communicate with anyone. 9. Analyze the role of trainers in the communication class. How did she approach affect Kennedy progress? Okay, Kennedy trainer was very slow to train Kennedy to speak, and she was sure she could train Kennedy to fight her trauma and train Kennedy to communicate. Rotan discussed the theme of strong will in the movie. How does Kennedy determination to win the scholarship show this quality? Okay, even though Kennedy has limitation in her communicating, it doesn't prevent her from achieving her achievement. Kennedy continues to fight to get a scholarship. Therefore, this is one of the important topics in this film. Number 11. How does the movie balance the portrayal of Kennedy vulnerability with her strength? Give an example of Kennedy's strength to communicate was very low because Kennedy was susceptible to remembering her trauma. For example, during an interview to enter university where Kennedy remembered her trauma, but along as time goes by, Kennedy dares to communicate. Scene from the final scene when she can talk. Number 12. Analyze the turning point in the movie where Kennedy begins to overcome her fears. What triggered this change? One of the things that triggered Kennedy change was because of her communication class that always supported her to process. Also, the trainer who always trained Kennedy accompanied and invited Kennedy to change. Kennedy was also required to have an interview because of that. These things really triggered Kennedy to have immediately process to communicate. Number 13. Discuss the deception of the education system in the movie. How does the movie address the challenges faced by students with trauma or communication issues? Okay, the challenges that are presented in this film are Kennedy has experience during by her friend. Kennedy has limited communication because many people ignore her and maybe think she doesn't exist in this world. This is a big challenge that is presented in the film. Number 14. How does the movie explore the concept of finding one's voice, both literally and figuratively? In this film, there are several where Kennedy encouraged herself to start communicating. This is one of the proof communicating is important, and finding and giving a voice something that can really help. Okay, number 15. Take a look at how the movie ends. How does Kennedy's journey reflect the bigger themes of overcoming adversity and self-discovery? Okay, because the journey that Kennedy went through was not an easy journey. She had to push herself to fight her traumas. She had to start getting used to things that she thought were difficult and new things. Uh, Number 16. Have you seen any other movie that deal with the theme of childhood trauma? How the portrayals in those movies compare to Hear Me? Yes, I have watched other movie that tell about trauma. The resolution is almost the same as this movie Hear Me, where the main character is required to fight the trauma she experienced because of something that push push her to do that. How does Kennedy uh, sorry Number 17. How does Kennedy character compare to other protagonists in movie that also face communication barriers? What are the similarities and differences between the two? The similarity is that they both have communication problem and they both struggle to fix their communication problem. The difference is in the process they go through, how fast or slow they change, and also the trauma they have is also different, so it affects the process of their change. Okay, number 18. Compare the way Hermie depicts the trauma healing process to other movie with similar themes. What makes this movie approach unique? The approach in this film is because the character Kennedy took the initiative to take a communication class, and Kennedy had a personal consultation with a trainer and went through quite a long development because the trauma that Kennedy experienced really hindered her. Okay. Uh, 19. In the movies that deal with the theme of education, how is the role of the teacher or coach portrayed compared to the communication coach in Hear Me? The difference is visible because in other film with an education theme, teachers usually demand their students to study continuously, and the teachers also don't really understand the character of their student. Whereas in the film Hear Me, the trainer makes a big contribution because he slowly invites to Kennedy to talk, doesn't force and demand Kennedy, and she also understands Kennedy character. And number 20. What a motivational word did the coach say to Kennedy during the training session? The trainer always told Kennedy that Kennedy needed time to process. Kennedy had to slowly struggle to change. And last one, 21. What is the last message and advice that the communication coach gave Kennedy? The trainer said that she wouldn't help Kennedy if she didn't want to try. Kennedy had pushed herself even though it was difficult. Okay, I think it's enough. Uh, Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.